Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, a strong non-farm payroll report means that the Fed won't be pausing their interest rate hiking campaign anytime soon. The May employment report was impressive, but it will likely be the last strong one we will see in a while. The focus shifts to May inflation report, which should show inflation on monthly basis is rising, which should force some Fed members to agree pricing pressures will remain sticky for the next couple of quarters. Now let's move on to see the domestic cues. Recent inflation data has shown it to be well above the RBI's 2 to 6% band, and it seems certain that RBI will hike rates once again at its meeting on Wednesday. How much impact that will have will depend on the statement afterwards, but it expects the RBI to maintain its hawkish rhetoric as PMIs indicate an economic recovery is underway. A hawkish RBI is likely to be a headwind for local equities. Elsewhere, the Indian rupee continues to trade on the weaker side, with USD bar INR stuck at 77.600 levels. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's see the technical analysis. Until Nifty closes above 16,800, profit booking remains in Nifty. Until Bank Nifty closes above 36,100, profit booking remains in Bank Nifty. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's move on to see the derivative analysis based on the option chain analysis. Highest open interest for call side is 17,500 strike, and for the put side is 16,300 strike. Overall, 1,200 points band, and the expiry is on 9th June. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with Nifty positive close, and when compared with the previous week, which shows call buying is seen. India VX has settled in 19.98, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended slightly low, which shows chances of mild decreases in volatility and the range in between 16 to 26 ranges. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Sterling Tools near 200.95. The target is 212 with a stop loss 190. Buy APL Apollo near 985. The target is 1035 with a stop loss 935. Coming to the F&O corner, buy Nifty future above 16,545. The target is 16,645 with a stop loss 16,450. Based on the option strategy, long straddle, buy Nifty 16,550 call option near 125 and buy Nifty 16,550 put option near 140. 9th June will be the expiry, and the total buy premium is 265. The target is 360 with a stop loss 170. Based on the institutional activity, according to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 6,653.97 crores, and for the June month, the FII net sellers are minus 6,152.49 crores. And for the previous week, the DII net buyers were 6,844.89 crores, and for the June month, the DII net buyers are 3,475.25 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For account opening, click the link in the description box below. Thank you by Sky Broking.